Teman, pelatih belum mau latihan pagi hari ini. Doa, mulai. Doa, selesai. Persis dulu.
We're of course not complete. There's still a few foreigners missing as well. No, I mean they seem eager. You can also see that there's a lot of room for improvement. But I think when you look at the attitude and the purpose and their willingness to test themselves, I thought for the first session was good. But we got a lot of work to do. That's for sure.
Cek. Up. Ada kiper kalau usah. Blocking. Jaya, up. No.
Yes, obviously in football it's not about having the ball, it's about creating opportunities, right? Having the
Bukan
ball.
cuma pegang bola tapi harus juga punya kesempatan.
So I want you to never miss out on a moment where you can pass forward.
Jadi dia pengen kalian passingnya itu ke depan.
And from playing out, preferably, can you keep the ball central rather than go out wide.
Harus main bola di tengah.
So that is what I would like to see.
Itu apa yang dia pengen lihat.
But the biggest thing I notice when I watch, I see the intent, which is good.
Intensitasnya bagus.
But
Tapi
the amount of unforced errors
banyak errornya.
is way too high. I spoke with the coaches before, and also with the players. In the first week, I'm not going to talk too much about the playing style. I think in training they'll notice where the focus is. So it's not going to be so much tactical. It's going to be more the behaviors that you need in the way I want us to play. Whether it's okay, you lose a ball, what's your first response, what's your first reaction? Can we get the ball in between the lines? Do we face forward or not? Stuff like that. In a way it's not tactical, but actually it is a lot tactical because it's behavior.
Yeah.
It's behavior, and that's the most important thing in what we're trying to do.
Oke.
Doa, selesai. Persis dulu.